2, 1.
Why would we take music out of our schools when it is very beneficial to our children? We need this form of art in our school because learning to play an instrument helps with the basic SOL skills like reading, mathematics, improved brain capacity. Learning to play an instrument helps to develop the brain, the executive function of the brain, increased blood flow to the brain, and more activity and more volume. Learning to play an instrument can also aid in social skills, teamwork, respect and patience, and confidence. When children learn to play a musical instrument, their brain becomes fine-tuned to processing patterns in visual and auditory signals that it receives. And this helps them to become better readers as they find it easier to make sense of letters and words on a page. Music can help with the development of math skills. By listening to musical beats, your child can learn basic fractions, pattern recognition, and problem solving. Children who study music also have improved spatial intelligence and the ability to form mental pictures of objects, skills that are important for more advanced mathematics. Learning a musical instrument helps enhance working memory. Research shows that learning to play a musical instrument can increase gray matter volume in various brain regions, strengthen the long-range connections between them. Strengthening the long-range connections between them can also help strengthen the executive function of the brain. Executive function covers critical tasks like processing and retaining information, controlling behavior, making decisions, and problem solving again. Musical training can improve and strengthen executive functioning in adults as well as children. A study in 2014 in Liverpool concluded that short bursts of musical training increased the blood flow to the left hemisphere of the brain. This same study showed more activity and volume of the corpus callosum, which is the bridge between the hemisphere of the brains, allowing messages to get through the brain faster and through more diverse routes. This allows our children to solve problems creatively and effectively. Effectively through teamwork with their social skills. Learning an instrument can also aid in social skills, such as teamwork, as they find that their instrument fits into a larger tapestry of music with their peers. It teaches them respect and patience, to respect their peers as they are playing and listening to figure out when they fit into this tapestry of music. A study has shown that a student who plays an instrument and learns and practices this instrument becomes more confident in life. In conclusion, taking music out of schools would be an injustice to our children. It would be an injustice because they wouldn't learn to play an instrument to help with basic SOL skills. They would not learn to play an instrument, which in turn would not help their brains. And they would not learn how to play an instrument also, which would in turn not develop their social skills. And it would also put us even further behind other nations whose children excel while learning musical instruments.